Hello, my name is Brad, this is Breadman Hills Tech, and today I'll be reviewing the Beats Studio 3. So here we have a pair of Beats Studio 3 in dark blue. On this side, there are the volume up and down buttons, and there is a stop and start button in the middle here. And on this side, there is a pairing button, which also is the on and off button. As well as using these as wireless headphones, you can also plug them in with the headphone jack, and on this side it charges with micro USB-C. The battery life is 22 hours with noise cancellation turned on and a whole 40 hours with noise cancellation turned off. So if you take it for a weekend, it'll be plenty. They sound really good, so I'll just play some music and put them up to the microphone. So this is how they sound. That was the only way I could show you how they sound, rather than my personal opinion that they sound great. Especially when you turn noise cancellation on, they sound a lot deeper. So the noise cancellation is really good at cancelling out all sorts of noises. Well, when you're speaking to someone, you can also hear them talking. The headphones are really comfortable, so there is this rubber bit at the top here, and that's just nice on your head. And these have really nice squishy ear cushions. Are they ear cups or ear cushions? Something like that. And anyway, that's really nice and squishy, so it's comfortable. You can wear them for quite a long time and your ears won't hurt. Because what I've experienced with really cheap headphones is that your ears after a bit start hurting from just being pushed and like this. It takes the headphones an hour and a half to charge to 100%. As you can see here, the beats show up on your phone when they come close and they're turned on, and your Bluetooth on your phone is of course turned on, and that is one of the features that you get with Apple products and iPhones. You can't have that with Android phones, which is kind of annoying, but I find it just the integration is really good. These are foldable, so you can fit them in your bag and everything. So if you just these like this, they are foldable. And the mechanism for the bits which go longer and shorter is a really satisfying clicking noise. Listen. And then you can make it up to this size. That's probably way too big. Look, they're literally the cups aren't even half on my ears. Just have to move that up. Now it fits. Oh, nearly. Yeah, that's right. And also, I've just noticed these little LEDs, near the power button. They tell you how much percent they have. The headphones have. Slowly goes across. These have 4 out of 5 lit up, so that means it's at 80%. And that's just a really useful small feature. Yes, I do see you at the back who hasn't subscribed yet. Please remember to like and subscribe. These headphones cost £299. I shall put links down in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. 2 minutes later.